Hey y'all, Bear here. It's Camp Cooking Tuesday time. And this week we're going to do a review. I'm trying out this Peak 2 Refuel, the chicken teriyaki and rice. I've never had it before. I'm out in Uwharrie and camping, and we're getting ready to cook it up. So it says it's white chicken and rice with vegetables and teriyaki sauce. Looks like we're going to need 1 1/3 cup of water. And you know, it's a dehydrated meal. You know how they work. Pull out the desiccant, pour in your hot water, let it sit for a little bit. Yep, that's what it looks like in there. Let me boil up some water. There's a 1 1/3 cup of water. Now we need to put some fire under that guy. Come on now. There we go. Now we got fire. All right, we got a boil. I hope y'all can see. Anyhow, we're going in. And I'm gonna let this guy hang out for about 20 minutes. Here's a quick look at the nutritional information for you. A little creek water. Let's see here. Can you see it? Maybe. Yeah, that's not bad. The teriyaki flavor is spot on. I'm gonna give that guy 4 bear paws. That's right, 4 bear paws. Now, look here. I'm gonna finish eating so I can go to sleep. I'm wiped out. We'll see you on the trail.